Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Beats Studio Earbuds to your Samsung Smart TV. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are looking to connect their Beats Studio Earbuds to their Samsung Smart TV. How do you actually do that? How do you actually go ahead and make sure that your Beats Studio Earbuds are the sound output of your Samsung Smart TV? Now in order to do this, guys, you're going to grab your remote over here, and then you're going to navigate to where it says settings. So underneath settings, you need to scroll down to where it says sound. Click on sound and then click on sound output. And then on this page here, you're going to see a list of sound output devices that are already connected to your Samsung Smart TV. Now, if you scroll down, you want to click on Bluetooth speaker list. So on this page, your Samsung Smart TV is now going to search for other Bluetooth devices to connect to. Next, you want to grab your Beats Studio Earbuds and open them up, and then you're gonna see this little tiny button in the middle between both your headphones. Okay, it's almost invisible to see, but you want to press and hold that button until it starts to blink white. So there you have it, guys. Now on your Samsung Smart TV, you'll see that your Studio Buds have now appeared. You're just gonna click on your Studio Buds and then click on pair and connect. And there you have it. Now your Studio Buds have been connected. So next, you're just gonna go back. And then back on your sound output list here, you want to make sure that you select your Studio Buds. So you can cycle between different Bluetooth sound outputs here, but the one that you want to select is this one here, and it's indicated by the green icon over there. So you can switch between different sound outputs over here, guys, but that right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your Beats Studio Earbuds to your Samsung Smart TV. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.